According to Wikipedia, a number is mathematical object used to count, measure, and label. Cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are numbers that tell how much of something is there. Cardinal numbers are usually used to describe the number or quantity of an object. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Example of sentences: my mom bought me 2 new clothes. I've been traveling to more than 5 countries in a year. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are usually used when mentioning the date, stating age in the context of birthdays. Example: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. A negative number comes from a positive number which is preceded by the word minus, or in American English, negative. For example, minus 6.8. 0. In English, the number 0 is called zero. 0 is commonly used in formal written and spoken concepts. The number 0 has several special designations. Here are some of them. O. Used when mentioning numbers such as phone numbers, bank accounts, bus lines, etc. However, be careful not to confuse the spelling of the letter O. Nothing, commonly used to describe sports scores. In American English, for example, the score is 2-0. No, technically used to express an object or idea related to nothing. Fraction and decimal. Example of fraction: a half, a third, 2/3, quarter. Example of decimal: 3.5 or 3.5, 2.6. According to Wikipedia, a shape is the form of object or its external boundary, outline, or external surface as opposed to other properties such as color, texture, or material type. So, in this video, we are going to cover various kinds of vocabulary of shapes. The shapes are basic angular, round, and special shapes. Basic angular. We will learn 3 basic angular shapes that we usually encounter, namely of triangle and rectangle or square. Example of sentences: the snake's shape is triangle. Our handkerchief's shape is rectangle. A few basic shapes are squares. Round. The vocabulary for round shapes in English is generally circle. Ellipse itself is an elongated round shape which we know as an elliptical shape. Example of sentences: I find a circle object. That woman has a round face. An egg's shape is ellipse. Special shape. Although in English there are many vocabularies to describe these unusual forms, I would like to invite all of us to focus on the discussion of stars and formless or shapeless. Example of sentences: do you think the stars are beautiful tonight? That strange creature is so shapeless. I see those creatures transforms to formless beings.